You want to know the 5 quick exercises to instantly calm your mind and body? Join me, guys, up until the end, and we will all find out what are these 5 quick exercises. Let's go, guys. Ethel Alviera here.
5 quick exercises to instantly calm your mind and body.
Are you feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or mentally scattered? Take a few minutes just for yourself. In today's video, I'll guide you through 5 simple yet powerful exercises to help you feel instantly calm and grounded anytime, anywhere. Here are 5 quick exercises to instantly calm your mind and body.
Number 1. Deep breathing.
Deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which lowers heart rate, reduces muscle tension, and sends a calm signal to your brain. It's one of the fastest ways to reduce anxiety and stop racing thoughts.
Number 2. Minute body scan.
A body scan helps you notice and release tension you didn't even know you were holding. It also pulls your attention away from stress and into the present moment, improving relaxation and body awareness.
Number 3. Gratitude journaling.
Writing down things you're grateful for shifts your focus from what's wrong to what's right. It boosts mood, reduces stress hormones, and trains your brain to spot positivity in everyday life.
Number 4. Sensory mindfulness.
Engaging your senses, what you can see, hear, feel, smell, and taste grounds you in the here and now. This technique breaks the cycle of anxious thoughts by anchoring you to your immediate reality.
Number 5. Visualization.
Imagining a peaceful scene or a positive outcome can trick your brain into feeling calm and safe. It's a mental reset button that helps replace worry with hope and relaxation. Ready to go deeper? Let's move to the next calming technique that will center your body and soothe your mind. Take a deep breath. You did it. These five calming exercises may seem small, but done daily, they can make a huge difference in how you feel. If this video helped you